my name is Emrys Bowers, and today I'm going to talk about how one simple species of primate shaped the way we talk about all other primate classifications. So, context. Tarsiers are small nocturnal primates from Southeast Asia. They are very unique and very interesting primates. Their eyes are actually bigger than their entire brain, but more on that later. So, primates have historically been divided into prosimians and anthropods. Prosimians, or pre-monkeys, are small, primarily nocturnal primates that are found only in Africa and Asia. They include lemurs, lorises, bush babies, galagos, and tarsiers. Anthropods include all other types of primates, so think chimps, humans, langurs, howler monkeys, you name it. Generally, people think of anthropods when they think of primates. They're the kind of famous ones. So, there are some things that make a primate a prosimian. Firstly, they have a wet nose, a tooth comb, which is a grooming adaptation, and a tapetum lucidum. The tapetum lucidum is a part of the eye that many nocturnal animals have that allow them to see better in the dark. Now, tarsiers have been classified as prosimians historically, but there are some issues with this. They don't have a wet nose, or a tooth comb, or a tapetum lucidum. So while they're very behaviorally similar to prosimians, like developmentally, they're really not. So with the advent of genetic sequencing, scientists discovered something really rather surprising. Tarsiers are actually much more closely related to the anthropods than the prosimians. So this meant that everything had to be reorganized, and instead of prosimians and anthropods, we went to strepsirrhines and haplorhines. The strepsirrhines, or wet-nosed primates, include all of the former prosimians except for tarsiers. The haplorhines, or dry-nosed primates, gained tarsiers with them. The only difference between this classification and the historic one is the placement of tarsiers. So there is significant evidence that tarsiers are actually an evolutionary stepping stone between the strepsirrhines and the haplorhines. While they are organized with the haplorhines now, they aren't fully haplorhine, and there are still some things that make them unique. For instance, strepsirrhines have open eye sockets, haplorhines have closed eye sockets, and tarsiers have partially enclosed eye sockets. Remember the thing about their eyes being bigger than their brain? Yeah, this is connected to that. They actually can't move them in their head at all. It's super weird. It is hard to quantify the impact that tarsiers have had on science. They've completely reorganized the way that we talk about primates, so we have strepsirrhines and haplorhines, not prosimians and anthropods, all because of them, and it's entirely possible that primates may be reclassified again in the future because of tarsiers or something else. The beauty of science is that you never know what you will discover next, and people are always working on the next mystery and puzzle.